What?
This is Olivia's tree.
Olivia's tree. Treehouse.
Mm-hmm.
And it looks like it comes with a bird,
A kitty.
a bird and a kitty.
Which one did she open it up yet?
I don't think so. I didn't see it yet.
Oh, we took one up. Did we take one up to your house?
Not from them, no.
No.
Where is it?
Yeah, where is it? Because you said you specifically left it here.
Yep.
And I haven't seen her open it. I know which one it is, and I haven't seen that one get opened yet. Did it end up in... No, it's not that one.
Just on standby.
Mm-hmm.
And it's this one?
No,
Whose pile is this right here?
that's
Where?
Brad's file.
Brad.
Is it possible it's in Brad's file? I remember you said there was one that said to Amber from Jonathan, and I know which one it is.
That's my Hanukkah paper right there. That's why I'm just wondering if that's... I don't know.
I know which one it is, and I haven't seen it yet. Because that never made the gift list.
No, because I called you.
Yeah, you called me and I was doing the gift list and I never put it on.
It's here. It was in all the packages. So
And I
it's
know it
somewhere
was here because I remember...
Here last
Can
night.
you take this? I got it.
Oh, okay. I know what that is. Open it up, sweetie. You're going to like this one. Yeah, we don't need this box. You remember what you wrapped it in?
I did all the wrapping.
I think it's right over there.
Where?
See that red princess paper right over there?
The princess paper.
Okay,
I
yeah,
think
that
that
looks like the right safe box.
Okay.
Yep. I think that's it. I'm trying to remember.
Is it in 2 parts?
No, it's just one box.
Okay.
Yep.
That one pops out with the door.
Let's see.
Can you open it?
I can't open. You want to do that when I was good?
Okay, you have to,
Go like this, see?
Oh,
like that.
Okay, now careful.
Ooh, sausage set.
You think that's enough?
What
I
is it?
remember when you told
Gel pen set.
Sears.
Oh, okay.
That was a
I saw it in...
interesting.